Hi there. Are you ready to turn your business dream into reality? Imagine launching your dream business in just 90 days without spending a single penny. I'm here to invite you to an exclusive free online workshop hosted by none other than Haroon Kareem, the founder of the Business Baron. Haroon Kareem is a globally renowned entrepreneur and business consultant, and he's ready to share his proven strategies to help you kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. Here's what you'll gain from this powerful workshop. Learn how to transform your idea into a real, actionable business. Discover how to start with minimal resources. Get low-cost marketing strategies to attract your first customers. And walk away with a personalized 90-day roadmap to success. This isn't just another workshop, it's your chance to gain the knowledge, tools, and confidence to make your business dream come true. Date: December 15th, 2024. Where? Online, Zoom. Cost: 100% free. But there's a catch. There are only 50 spots available, and they're filling up fast. To reserve your spot, simply click the link in the description and join our WhatsApp group. That's all it takes to secure your place in this life-changing event. Don't miss this opportunity to learn directly from Haroon Kareem and start building the business you've always dreamed of. Click the link now, and I'll see you at the workshop. Let's make your dream a reality, together.